pangayin.
你们现在还要喝咖啡吗？我都给你们全倒下了。
What happened to you? My uncle Starbucks 3 a.m.